Once upon a time.
On February 26, 2007.
Happy birthday, Taylor.
Happy 18th. We wish you all the success. Hopefully you can come to Australia soon.
We miss you so much and I hope we can see you again soon.
Happy 18th birthday, Michaela. We are so proud of everything that you've accomplished so far, and I know you'll go very, very far with your career later on. And I wish you all the best, all the success, and may God bless you always. And we are really hoping that you can come over to Australia to pursue your career. Enjoy, and we hope to see you very soon. Bye. Happy birthday.
Bye.
Hey guys, it's Michaela. Welcome back to my channel. So, it's February 26 natin makamakaway ko ng mga classmate ko. What? Fingers down my spine. Now you look mad at time. Won't you rub your feet? Hey guys, it's Michaela. Welcome back to my channel. So, it's Michaela. Hey guys, it's Michaela. Welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, it's Michaela. So, welcome back to my channel.
So, hello po. First and foremost, a happy birthday to our birthday celebrant, Michaela. This is your 18th birthday, so I hope you are enjoying your day today. I am kinda sad because I won't be there since malayo talaga, nasa Aurora ako, nasa Bulacan kayo, at may klase pa tayo. But I hope this message could reach you po. So, back in our elementary days na close pa tayo noon. Sana pagka-uwi ko dyan is magkita-kita ulit tayo at magkasama-sama ulit. Yun lang, hindi talaga ako magaling sa mga ganitong greetings. But, alam ko na alam mo na marami akong gustong sabihin. But, for now, ito lang po muna. Again, a happy birthday to our birthday celebrant, Michaela. I am happy to see you soon.
I close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting up for me, that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we desire.
I know I can't attend the party right now kasi sobrang layo ko and sobrang mahal na pamasahe. But, lagi naman ako nandyan sa puso mo na isi-celebrate natin yung birthday mo kahit wala ako sa tabi mo. Pre, I just wanted to say that I am very proud of you. Like, sobrang proud ako sa'yo kasi sobrang tapang mo. Like, saksi ako sa everyday crisis mo, lalo na sa school. Pero, wala, kaya mo pa rin. Siyempre, ikaw na yan eh. Kaya, bilib na bilib ako sa'yo, pre. Sobrang daming tao yung humahanga sa'yo. And isa ako sa kanila. Like, wala na akong masabi. And, pre, as always, you can always lean on me. If you think na mag-isa ka, hindi ka mag-isa, pre, nandito lang ako. Marami kaming nagmamahal para sa'yo. And I know how very hardworking you are. Kaya, wag mong pababayaan yung sarili mo. Kasi sarili mo yung unan mo. Kapag ikaw na yung naubos, sino lalaban para sa'yo? Andito lang kami sa likod mo, sinusuportahan ka, hindi yun mawawala. Kahit nasa malayo pa ako. And, pero sana alam mo na I thank God na nakilala kita, naging kaibigan kita, like you are my human diary basically, and you are one of the greatest blessings that I have, na I treasure so much. Kaya wag ka magdadalawang isip sa akin. Alam ko naman na hindi, pre, pero i-remind ko na lang din. And pre, sobrang miss na kita dahil sobrang busy mo, but I understand it kasi alam ko yung priority, pre. Pero i-remind ko na lang din. And pre, sobrang miss na kita dahil sobrang busy mo, but I understand it kasi alam ko yung priority mo, which is yung ACADS mo, para sa kasi di magpapayaman nga tayo, di ba? Alam ko naman yun yung goal natin lahat eh. Kaya huwag kang mag-alala, nandito lang ako. Hindi ako mawawala dito. Kahit sobrang life ko, nandito lang ako lagi para sa'yo. So, supportan ka sa lahat ng desisyon mo. So, supportan ka sa lahat ng pangarap mo. Kaya, wag kang mag-alala na mag-isa ka. Marami kami nagmamahal sa'yo. Pre, I wish you all the best. Like, all the best of the things in this world na you deserve. Sana makamit mo yung mga pangarap mo. Alam ko malayo pa, pero malayo na. Kaya sa malayo pa na yun, lagi kitang sasamahan. Andito lang ako lagi. And yun lang, i-message ko na lang sa iba. Kasi hindi ko na alam kung paano ko i-express yun through words. Kasi I'm very grateful to have you. Happy birthday, pre. Miss na kita. And I love you the most.
Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be.
It's your 18th birthday. Happy birthday to you. As you step into adulthood, I pray that the Lord bless you with great knowledge, of course, so that you can use it in your studies. So I know naman that you are studying well because you are an exceptional student. Okay? You are a good child of your parents. So kahit ikaw ay isang ganap na dalaga, so alam ko naman na pinagbubutihan mo ang iyong pag-aaral because you are really a good child and a good student. May you receive abundant blessings and of course, good health always. Again, happiest birthday to you, anak, and enjoy. God bless you always.
I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see, a million There's a house we can build. Every room inside is filled with things from far away. The special things I compile, each one there to make you smile on a rainy day.
Happy birthday, Kyla! Happy 18th birthday to you! So, ang wish ko sa'yo ay mag-aral ka magbuti, mangarap ka ng malaki, at wag mo na mag-boyfriend. You're still a baby to your parents. And, ang laki na ng utang ni Ninang sa'yo, so, pagpasensya mo na si Ninang. Okay? Love ka naman ni Ninang. I love you. I love you, Kyla. Hope to see you soon. Last vacation namin, hindi tayo nakapagkita. Only your mommy lang talaga. No time talaga kami. So, very rush ng vacation. So, sana on my next vacation, magkita-kita tayo. Bye-bye. Love you.
On a rainy day, they can say
is masipag. Si Kyla, matalino.
Si Kyla ay mapagmahalan.
Yung apo ko, mahal ko yan. Matalino yan. Saka matae. Si Kyla, mabait na. Matalino pa.
Michaela is an ineffable.
Madiskarte at umiintindi.
Charming, friendly, patient.
Si Kyla ay supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Si Kyla, responsable.
Si Nick, sobrang bait, sobrang talino, sobrang ganda. San ka pa?
Masipag mag-aral, masunurin at mabait.
Matalino, mabait.
They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say
Michaela. Happy 18th. Have a lot of fun. Happy 18th, Michaela. I'm missing you guys. Hopefully we can see you soon.
say we've lost our minds.
Happy birthday, Kyla!
Happy 18th birthday!
Happy birthday! Ayun. Welcome to adulthood and sana matupad lahat ng wishes and dreams. Just keep pushing. You're doing well in school. Tuloy-tuloy mo lang ang college for graduate. Good luck and best wishes.
Happy 18th birthday!
Bye-bye!
Blow a kiss!
Blow a kiss! Blow!
I don't care if they call us crazy. Run away to a world that we
Happy birthday, Michaela! Happy 18th birthday! You're now a young lady. So we wish you all the best. Good health, and hope all your dreams will come true. No boyfriend yet. Okay, and good luck on the studies. Keep it up. Smart girl, young lady. And again, happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Oh, sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you! Bye!
Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams.
Sana ipagpatuloy mo ang iyong pag-aaral para magkaroon ka ng scholarship. We love you so much and take care of yourself always. Again, happy birthday. We miss and love you. We see you soon.
Happy birthday.
Keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. Oh, a million dreams for the world we're gonna make. However wrong, but say that you'll bring me along to the world you see, to the world I close my eyes to see. I close my eyes to see. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. I think of what